Selling digital products is very popular these days, and many people even earn a living by selling simple downloadable files. What's even better, with tools like Canva, it's relatively easy to create digital product. And what if I tell you, you can exploit it, and that you can create and sell Canva templates? The logic behind it is simple. Tens of millions of people are using Canva to create designs. And a template, it's like a starting point for a design. So when you create and sell a template, other people can use it to make their own design faster and easier. Okay, if you are interested, then in this video you will learn how to make editable Canva templates and sell them. I will go through each step so you can start your small business. So, are you ready? Let's begin. The first step is to think of ideas for your templates. What kind of design do you want to make? Just a simple search on Etsy for Canva templates will show you results like planners, calendars, social media templates, birthday cards, wedding invitations, resumes, or posters. Of course, it's not all, just few ideas you can use for a start. So, think about what you like to make. Remember, your ideas should be your own. Don't copy other people's design. Try to make something new and special. Now it's time to make your template. And even this is relatively easy. Relatively is a good word here because for this video, we will not create a template from scratch. We will redesign pre-made templates from Canva. So go to the Canva website. Then on the home page, click on the search bar and search for planner template. In few seconds, you will see tons of templates you can use. However, even if some of them are free, you cannot resell these templates as they are. You need to change multiple elements on them. So, let's open this simple and clean weekly planner. Just click on it and then click on the Customize this template button. Now, you have a weekly planner ready to redesign it. I always recommend to change font, colors, and even few elements to make the template unique. Start by changing fonts, which is simple in Canva. Then change colors for this template. Because people like minimalistic and aesthetic designs, it's a good idea to choose soft colors. And take your time when you are making your template. It's okay if it's not perfect at first. You can always make changes later. After you finish your design, you need to save it as a template. Here comes one of the most important things you should know. Since you want to create an entire shop focused on selling these editable templates, you should stay organized. In other words, when you are done with designing your template, go to the upper menu and click on File. Here, click on Move to a Folder option and create a new folder. Name it, for example, Editable Templates, and then click on the Move to New Folder button. This way, this template will be saved inside a specific folder, and in this folder you should have all your editable Canva templates that you will sell. It's just a simple way to stay organized. Now, another important fact you should know. Selling an editable template means creating a special link to this planner template in Canva, allowing the buyer to easily modify it as they want. And it's relatively easy to do. Just click on the Share button at the top right of the screen. Look for Template Link in the menu that pops up. Then click on it and click Create Template Link. Click Copy to copy the link. This link is very important. It's how people will use your template. The best practice for sharing this link is to create a single page design. In this page, you should thank the customer for their purchase and add a clickable link that leads to the editable template. Then, this single page download as PDF, and this PDF you will upload to Etsy. And once someone buys this editable template, they receive the PDF with the link to the planner template in Canva. Now, let's talk about how to create such listing on Etsy. I assume you have already created a shop on Etsy. Then, in the Shop Manager, go to the Listings and click on Add a Listing button in the top right corner. A new window pops up, and here you should select a digital file option. In the section Who Made It, select I Did. Go down, and in the section What Is It, select a finished product and under it, in the section When was it made, select Recently and the latest year. Now we have a new section that asks you who has made the design. For this example, choose Created by Me and click on the Continue button. This action will lead us to the main page for a new listing. Here you need to include a title for this listing. I highly recommend to include keywords you want to rank on Etsy search. For this planner, I will go for something like an aesthetic weekly planner, editable Canva template, digital download. Once you have the title, you should upload up to 10 photos that show your product. This can also be done in Canva. Now, let's move into another section. It's a section where you upload the digital file you want to sell. If you want to sell the Canva planner, simply upload the planner here. However, if you want to sell an editable planner template, you must upload the PDF file with a link to the editable template. In this section, add a description that truly explains the product you are selling. Assume the buyer has no prior knowledge, so describe the product as simple as possible. Anticipate and answer questions the buyer might ask. Use clear and concise language to ensure the information is easily understood by all potential customers. In the next step, set the price and quantity. Choose a selling price for your product, but keep in mind that Etsy's fees can amount up to 60% of the selling price. For the quantity, set 999, which is the maximum amount you can set. Now, scroll down in the details, select the category for your product. For a planner, choose a planner template. So easy it is. Again, scroll down until you see the dark section. Here, use keywords that people may use when searching for a product. So type, for example, weekly planner, editable template, Canva template, and so on. This is in fact all you need to select to have a listing on Etsy. And when you scroll down, just select automatic renewal option and click on the publish button. Once you have completed it, you will pay 20 cents of a listing fee and your product listing will be available for purchase on Etsy. Now, you know how to create and sell Canva editable templates. It might seem like a lot of steps, but you can do it. Take your time and follow each step. Before you know it, you will be selling your own templates. Remember, the most important things are to be creative, hard work, and have fun. Your templates can help other people make beautiful designs, and you can make money doing something you enjoy. So, I hope you found this Etsy tutorial helpful, and if you have any questions, use the comment section and I will try to reply.